Hey everybody, welcome back to the garden. It's time to uproot and uproot and get some beets ready for the canning jars. These are all beautiful sizes. I like beets. I've never pickled them before. First time for everything. I think we're just going to take everything out of the garden because it's that time of the year. They're not going to get much bigger, actually. The ones that haven't grown, you know what? Just haven't grown. We're just going to say bye-bye. Thank you for your contribution. Oops. That's going to bleed when I boil it, but whatever. I think I'll just... That guy looks cute. These ones look cute. I will still boil them up and just eat them once they're cooked. That'll go in the compost. There. I know the tops don't look great, but I don't eat beet tops. I don't care to. These little guys will be eaten very... Ooh, these are those cylindrical Formosa ones, I think they're called. Yeah, cylindrical Formosa. I might as well take the tags out of the garden. They're not necessary to have in there anymore. I had 4 types. I had a green top bunching beet, an early wonder, the Cylindra Formanova. Looks like 1 to 2 of them only actually grew properly. And then these ones, where's the tag? Is this it? Yeah. Oh, these are the Detroit dark reds. It's a good blend of sizes. Some I will probably pickle whole. The other ones I will pickle like in slices, or probably cut up into cubes. I don't know, whichever is easier to work with. I think some of them look like they're just going to be eaten like in the next few days. So that's all the beets. Cabbages are looking half decent. He's a monster. I'll put those in my pocket because those will just go in the garbage. I'd also left a few turnips left in the garden, and I don't think they're actually going to do much, so I am just going to uproot. That's a little guy. He can be cooked up and eaten for a meal. Actually, same as this one. What the hell? Gross. There. Yeah, you know what? Looks like I'll be just having a bit of a salad experience with them. That's all right. Some things grow and some things don't. But right now, there's other things that are going to be more of a priority. You can do it. You can do it. I'm still keeping this turnip here because you can see, yeah, right. These here, I think these are where the seeds have come out. I'm not sure yet, but I want to collect some seeds, so I'm going to let it go. Keep doing its thing, and see if I can collect some turnip seeds for next season out of them. Because the ones that did grow to a nice size were actually quite nice looking. All right. Don't need you anymore now. So, I'm going to go to my compost bin and cut the tops off these things. and get them stored up. And actually, I think the beet tops I'm going to just throw them away, because they don't look like they're good for my compost bin. Those ones are okay. But anyway, when I get to pickling these things, which will be either today or tomorrow, I'll show you the end results. That's the end result of my beet pickling experience. 1 jar. They taste good. First time I've made them too. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao.